Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's video I'm gonna show how to change or set the time or date in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type time, hit enter or click in this option. Disable this feature or turn off this switch, set time automatically, turn off, and select set the date and time manually. Select in change button and select your date, change to any month and any day and any year, and select your hour, minute, PM or AM option, and select change. For example, select 5, select 6, select AM and change. This change in this section. To apply the change in all programs or all system update, select to the start menu, go to the power off button and select restart. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.